What do you do when the speed is changing?
Check the mirrors.
Did you?
No.
Come on. Keep following the green arrows, please. Again, no mirror check, madam. When it's safe to do so, go one lane to your left, please. Make sure your car doesn't touch this white marking. Okay, make keep hold. Exit to your left, please. Good. Exit and hold back. Beautiful. Right, we are approaching towards roundabout.
Yeah.
Can you please follow Cheadle sign for me, please? Cheadle, Cheadle.
Okay.
No, stay left. Read the board first. Stay left. You're not in a left. Stay left. Read the board. Cheadle.
First exit.
There you go. Sorted. Thank you. If I don't say anything
Yeah.
and giving you direction like that, stay left.
Yeah.
Okay. You missing something?
The gear.
What do we do? No, don't touch
The
that.
mirrors.
Mirror and then?
Signal.
Thank you. And then gear 2. Speed. Good. Very good stop. Here one. Excellent timing. Beauty. 10 of 10.
Okay.
Very nice. Very nice. Little bit more fast, yeah?
Yeah.
Only this roundabout, it needs to be a bit more
First.
faster, yeah. Well done. Okay, now second roundabout, can you see, oh sorry, what is coming ahead of you?
A roundabout.
Roundabout. Can you see where is Cheadle?
First exit.
Where is first exit?
Across the
It's straight ahead.
Straight
Well
ahead.
done. And how are you going to approach there?
slow.
I will advise you. Can you see the side junction here?
Yeah, so it's
From this side junction, kill your speed.
okay.
More slow and go gear 2 here now.
Okay.
If you do this, benefit,
Okay.
benefit, benefit. Okay?
Yeah.
Nice one.
Sorry.
Yeah, Miss
Yeah.
Judge?
Yeah.
Serious one, huh?
Yeah.
So how many roundabouts we done?
So,
Second one?
yeah.
Third roundabout always?
Third exit.
What is coming ahead of us?
Video protected.
Sign, a roundabout.
The roundabout. What exit we gonna take? Cheadle?
Third.
Third roundabout always third exit. Come on then. Which lane we need to be? Beautiful. Good response. Very nice.
Thank you.
Which kind of roundabout is that?
2 lane.
Traffic control. Yes,
Traffic
multi-lane. We're doing multi-lane, aren't we?
Yeah.
Traffic control roundabout. Green means?
Go.
Red means?
Stop.
Oh my god. You are a genius.
Thank you.
Ain't it? Good. Excellent. Let's do it. Do we need to look into our right?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Traffic control, we just said it.
Okay.
Yeah. People know where we're going? Come on.
Sorry.
Exit 1. Exit 2. Left signal. Yeah. And just go straight.
Into
Keep
that
looking.
lane.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Sorry.
Yes,
sorry.
of course it's a complete disaster.
Yeah. Okay.
You was going there and what happened then?
The car was.
Car was just
Yeah.
taking his own positioning to go there.
Okay.
So when we're taking third exit, we always have another light in the middle.
Yeah.
Only first roundabout needs to be fast.
Okay.
That's middle 2 roundabout needs to be
Slow.
slow and effective use of mirror.
Yeah. Okay.
Slow, slow, slow. Do you understand what I said?
Yeah.
Slow, slow, slow. From here, second set of light, we turn left, please.
Okay.
Why are you going towards the right, Amelia?
Sorry.
Are you driving a bus?
No.
Are you driving a trawler?
No.
What's the road speed here?
20.
Any reminders? Any reminders?
Brown.
Can you move fast, please? Steady speed. Go to 30. There's no reminder. You've done more than 10 lights.
Okay.
There's nothing on it,
Yeah.
right? Did you spot it 20 at all?
No.
So why do you assume it's 20?
I shouldn't. Okay.
Once you see 20, never assume it's going to be 30. Just
Yeah.
you need to look for it.
Okay.
If you make mistake, you miss it, your fault.
Yeah.
And vice versa, when it's 30, look for 20. If it's
Yeah.
not going to 40, look for change of speed sign.
Yeah.
If you don't look, don't find anything, it doesn't mean speed is
Yeah.
changing.
Okay.
So keep it, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Traffic light, turn right, please. Wake up.
Sorry, I was staring at the reindeer.
What are you thinking?
That's really close.
Okay. Pull up somewhere safe and convenient in your left. That's good. Very good stop.
Okay.
Very good.